If we want to create a summarizing period, so for the first 12 months we want to see a 1, then we want to see a 2, then a 3, etc. Easy way to do it, first cell we type a 1, this cell we're going to say equals to the previous cell, and we can copy that all the way to here. And now when we get to here, what we can do is we can tell it equals. If we equals to this cell and plus 1, then it's going to go 2, 3, 4, etc. So what we need to do is equals it to 12 months earlier, plus 1. And now what it's doing is it goes 12 months back and adds 1. So you'll see, and then at some point, when we go over here, you'll see it now looks 12 months back. It happens to be a 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So I can now copy and paste that all the way to the end, and that's a quick way to create summarizing periods. If you had quarters, you'd go 1, 1, 1, and then this one would go 3 back plus 1, etc.